चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें, नोटिफिकेशन बेल क्लिक करें, लाइक कमेंट शेयर करें। Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Hopscotch Kids and I am Pankhuri. I am back again with a much requested video which is my room tour video. I love my room. We have decorated it as per our liking. Hope you will like it too. Do comment your opinions in the comment section below. But before I start, please watch my desk tour part 1 and 2 because I am not covering the desks in the video. Click on the I bar above to view my room decor playlist. So let's start. I am standing at the entrance of my room. As soon as you enter this room, you will see the P sign on the door because my name and Pakhi's name starts with the letter P. This is a DIY project. Underneath that, we have pasted a fairy sticker and a butterfly sticker. These stickers are very cute. The curtains of my room are floral themed as I love nature. These curtains add brightness to my room. We also have a dream catcher at the entrance. Next is my L-shaped table which Pakhi and I share. Please watch the detailed video which is already posted on my channel. Now this is our bed. This bed has 2 levels. We can easily open the lower section like this. Usually Pakhi likes to sleep on the lower bed and I sleep on the upper section. We switch sometimes though. My bed has 2 hidden storages. Let me open this one. Here I have kept few of my books which I have already read and some of my soft toys. Underneath it, there is one more storage where we generally keep less used things like woolen clothes, blankets, etc. I like to keep few toys on the deck as well. And at the left hand corner, I have kept daily essentials near the mirror. My dressing table is also hidden in the bed. Just open it from here. Here you can see all my fancy clips, rubber bands, clutchers, etc. which I have organized with the help of these organizers. Below this area, I have kept things like my necklaces, perfumes, school belt, etc. Here is my beautiful full-length mirror. I have decorated this with some simple decor items. The highlight of my room is this big and beautiful geometric patterned colorful world map. I just love this map on my wall. I hope I will visit all these countries one day. After my mirror comes our almirah, which both me and Pakhi share. Underneath it, we have a large drawer filled with Pakhi's casual clothes. Up here is a giraffe-shaped light decor. This is our AC unit window, which we have decorated with a smart wallpaper and some fancy decorative stuff. Here we also have this cute nutcracker and globe. And here is my casual clothes drawer. Further in my room, we have a door. I have pasted 2 pin boards here, where we pin our latest drawings and creations. I love this creative corner in my room. Next to it, I have my award wall, where we have kept few decorative items. Down here are my awards, medals and my prefect badge. Here are my certificates. Pakhi's certificates are up there. We always keep latest certificates here. Down here is a cute study sticker. I have made a small reading corner here. I love to sit here and love to spend some me time here. It has a cute round colorful rug and few cushions. Whenever I don't feel like studying on the study table, I come and sit here. Pakhi also enjoys playing here with me. This area is not only a reading corner for me, but it's my zen space which I really enjoy. Next is this door, which is our washroom door. We have decorated this door also. It has 4 motivational quote frames on it. They not only look beautiful but also motivate me whenever I feel low. Next to it is my chest of drawers where we keep our toys, books and random stuff of daily use. Above it, I have a painting and acrylic drawer set. Next to it, I have again kept my storybooks which I love. Further, I have kept my Chelsea doll on the chair. She is reading a book. Here is her dog Taffy. Then here is Pakhi's favorite Peppa Pig family and musician's doll set. On the left side is a cute wall sticker and my night lamp. Above it is a painting made by my mom. She gave it to me as a gift on my birthday. She also decorated this wall with 3 magical words: live, love, laugh. So this is the overall look of the chest of drawers area. Here comes my entry door again. So this is a 360-degree look of my room. Please give your valuable feedback if you like the room. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share and comment. A lot of study related DIYs are coming soon. So stay tuned. I love you all for your immense support. तो ये था आज का डेकोर ज्ञान. न हटाना इन वीडियो से अपना ध्यान. मिलेंगे अगले वीडियो में. थैंक यू. बाय.